In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sort data on Excel. Sorting data in Excel is a quick way to organize your spreadsheet and make it easier to read. Whether you are working with names, numbers, dates, or other entries, the process is very simple once you know where to click. I will walk you through exactly what to do so you can sort your data with confidence. Start by clicking any single cell inside the column that you want to sort. This is important because Excel uses the cell you select to understand which set of data you are working with. You do not need to highlight the entire column in most cases. Just click one cell within that column and Excel will usually detect the surrounding data for you automatically. Make sure you click inside the correct column before moving on, especially if your sheet contains several different sections of information. Next, go to the Data tab on the top ribbon. The ribbon is the menu bar across the top of Excel, where you can access different tools and commands. Once you click the Data tab, you will see the sorting options available to you. This is where Excel gives you the basic controls for arranging your data in ascending or descending order. If you want to sort from the smallest value to the largest, click the A to Z button. For text, this means alphabetical order from A to Z. For numbers, it means lowest to highest. This option is useful when you want to organize a list in a standard forward order so it is easier to scan and understand. If you want to reverse that order, click the Z to A button. For text, this sorts entries from Z back to A. For numbers, it sorts from the largest value down to the smallest. This can be helpful when you want to see top values first, such as highest sales, largest amounts, or the latest items depending on how your data is set up. As a helpful tip, always take a quick look at your data after sorting to make sure everything appears the way you expected. If your spreadsheet includes related information across multiple columns, Excel will often keep the rows together when it sorts, as long as your data is arranged properly. That covers everything you need to know.